Hello there. As you can see, this is my computer with a TV 27-inch monitor with a arm, and the arm, as you can see, has always sagged, so the monitor was a little bit off kilter. It's got a standard VESA mount in the back, 100mm VESA mount, and so after trying a couple things and hunting around online for a $50 or $60 adjustment so I could tilt and swivel this, I decided to make this, which is really simple. It's actually a 3D printed 2 plates and 2 cylinders. The holes are 100mm apart for the VESA 100 mount, and it uses just a bolt in the center with a nylon locking ring so it doesn't fall off. And really the only thing which holds it in place is pressure. So if I were to try to move this or slide it, I really can't. It really takes 2 hands, just the friction between the 2 plates. And that's why I made the cylinders in between so large, so that they would have a good amount of friction. It was printed at 50% infill, which should be strong enough to hold everything together. And with the help of the local library to print it out, cost me about $4. And $6 if you include all the bolts and screws and stuff to get this together. So I have the 4 monitor screws for the back, and then 4 shop bought M4 bolts and nuts to hold it on to the other half. So I will finish this, and then I will show it to you once it's all on and working.